On any plant floor, having critical spares on site and ready to use is key when preparing for emergencies. So when a component fails on a critical machine and you're not prepared, the downtime from lack of availability and extended lead times may leave you with some costly egg on your face. At ES&E, we've always had the solution for you with Rockwell Automation's Parts Management Agreement, which has recently evolved into an Inventory Plus service agreement, offering the same benefits as the PMA while adding several new features. First is on-site stock, which is your traditional customer-desired bill of materials stored on-site for ready access when you need it. As parts in production become inoperative, simply take the spare off the shelf and put it into production. This flexible BOM inventory allows you to update as your installed base changes. You can also add and delete parts from the BOM, so you always have only what you need. Next is the priority replenishment stock. This is your on-site BOM. However, these are stored at Rockwell Automation hub locations and used to replenish parts to consume from on-site stock. As parts are used, Rockwell Automation will replenish those parts from the priority replenishment stock, ensuring you always have the critical spares available. And finally, the agreement includes Repair Plus, customer-determined repair spending amount covering Rockwell and non-Rockwell repair needs. The program offers additional repair value beyond the repair spend in terms of repair buying power. Let's not forget that we still offer the 1-year in-service warranty on all Inventory Plus agreement stock. So if you're looking for a way to decrease cost, optimize inventory, and minimize downtime, then the Inventory Plus agreement may be right for you. Please talk to your ES&E account manager or service specialist today to get started.